Ever wondered what Claude 4.0 is truly capable of? It's not just about writing and coding, there are hidden superpowers that most users overlook. I'm about to reveal 3 game-changing secrets that will make you feel like you've been using a Ferrari in first gear. Claude has something called uncertainty calibration. Unlike other AI that confidently makes stuff up, Claude can actually tell you its confidence level on any topic. Here's the magic phrase. Rate your confidence from 1 to 10 and explain your reasoning. For example, ask, will electric cars dominate by 2030? Rate your confidence. See that breakdown? It's telling you exactly what to trust and what to verify. This single feature has saved researchers thousands of hours of verification work. The constraint paradox. Most people think more freedom equals more creativity, but Claude works backwards. The tighter the box, the more ingenious it gets. Try explain AI using only cooking metaphors. That's not just creative, that's breakthrough-level analogy work that makes complex concepts instantly clear. Professional writers use this technique to overcome creative blocks. Socratic partnership mode. Stop asking Claude for answers and start asking it to think alongside you. Instead of, how do I grow my business? Ask, what assumptions should we question about my business growth strategy? Claude transforms into a thinking partner. This is how top consultants and researchers actually use AI, not for answers, but for better questions. These 3 hidden features, uncertainty awareness, creative constraints, and collaborative thinking, will transform your AI experience. Give them a try, and let us know in the comments which one surprised you the most. Subscribe for more AI secrets that separate the pros from the amateurs, because this is just the beginning.